Lift your spirits by pampering your tresses with 5 of our best hair mask recipes made with natural ingredients to help revitalize hair that is dry, damaged, color or grey. Take 2 tablespoons of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder and make a paste. Cover it and let it soak overnight. In the morning, mix 1 tablespoon of methi powder along with the juice from 1 lemon and enough yogurt to make a smooth paste. Apply it to the hair and then wash after an hour. Do this regularly and you will not only see your hair fall reduce, but your hair will look stronger, thicker and healthier. When it comes to hair growth, onion juice is one ingredient that has gained popularity and for all the right reasons. Hailing from the allium family, onions are rich in sulfur and gives your hair strength and elasticity, without which your hair can become brittle and break. So how can you use this magical portion? Extract the juice of 4 cut onions through a muslin cloth and apply it on your roots, keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this up to twice a week to make sure you allow the onions to work its magic. Mix 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a little bit of coconut milk and apply it to your scalp and hair before rinsing it after 20 minutes. Rich in sulfur, cocoa powder naturally makes your hair shiny and helps cover grease, while coconut milk adds protein and helps nourish damaged hair. Apply the mask once a week and you have soft and smooth hair in no time. This common Indian household spice adds life to your food as well as your hair. It is rich in vitamins A and C, flavonoids as well as carotenoids and other antioxidants which help in hair growth and also fight off dandruff. If you have a flaky scalp with dull hair, give it a thorough detox with this easy and quick DIY. Crush 4 tablespoons of black pepper and mix it with 4 tablespoons of olive oil that will help bring back gloss to the hair. Apply this mask on your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. What you'll be left with is shiny, dandruff-free healthy roots and scalp. Oats and honey are a killer combination not just for your cookies but also for a nourishing hair mask. Honey helps the driest of hair retain moisture and luster, while oatmeal helps with elasticity to reduce breakage. All you need to do is add a cup of oats and mix it with 3 tablespoons of honey. Apply from mid-lengths to the ends and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo to reveal softer, smoother hair. These hair masks are affordable, easy to create and are great to keep your hair and scalp healthy and clean. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.